In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the half-life. The half-life of a radioactive sample is the average time taken for half the original mass of the sample to decay. So if the time taken to decay is from 100 to 50, this would be the half-life of a radioactive sample. Here we have a graph showing the half-life period for a radioactive isotope. On the x-axis we have the time, and on the y-axis we have the amount of isotope. So let's say we have m here. It took m to become m over 2 T1 and m2 to become m4 T2. Now let's see a simulation of an isotope protactinium-234. At t equals 0 minutes, the number of atoms at start is 4,000. And here we'll see the number of atoms at each time, the percentage of atoms remaining, and the percentage of atoms decayed. So let's play the simulation to see the number of atoms changing, the percentage of atoms remaining, and the percentage of atoms decayed after 6 hours. The number of atoms now is almost 2,000. So 2,000 is half the atoms at the beginning, meaning the percentage of atoms remaining is 50% and the percentage of atoms decayed is 50. So the half time here is 6.8 hours, or we call it the half-life. If you continue, the isotope is still decaying. The number of atoms now is almost 1,000, and we'll see the results in the next tutorial.